Hello everyone, let's start our worksheet number 30, chapter 7 of geography, human environment, settlement, transport and communication. Okay, now everyone, write down your name, class, section, roll number and date. Yes. So first question, take the correct option. The natural condition for selections of an ideal site are option first, favorable climate, availability of water, suitable land and fertile soil, all of these. Yes, Gia.
Ma'am, option D, all of these.
Very good. Thank you, Gia. All of these. Second, llamas are used as mode of transport in Alps in Europe, Andes Mountain of South America, the Mount Everest, the Atlas Mountain. Yes, raise your hand. Yes, Pulkit. Gia.
Ma'am, B option, the Andes Mountains of South America.
Yes. The latest development in India is the construction of metro line, subways and underpass, expressways, flyovers. The latest development in India is the construction of Jessica,
Ma'am, expressway.
expressways. Anyone else?
Yes.
Yes, Swastik.
Ma'am, flyovers.
Strajal.
Flyovers.
According to me, the both a metro line and expressway are right. Okay. One of the highest roadway in the world, Manali Leh Highway in the Himalaya Mountain, Abbey Road, London, Las Vegas, Boulevard Road, South, and Guillotin Tunnel Road, China. Highest road in the world. Yes, Swastik.
Ma'am, Manali Leh Highway.
Yes. The longest railway system connects Chinese cities Yuzhou to Spanish capital of Madrid, Moscow to Beijing. St. Petersburg in Western Russia to Vladivostok or Kazakhstan to Spanish capital. Anshika.
Moscow to Beijing.
Beijing. Anyone else? Railway system. Longest. Jayavardhan.
St. Petersburg in Western Russia to Vladivostok.
Yes, yes. Now state whether the following statement are true and false. I hope everyone marked MCQ on worksheet. Early human beings depended entirely on nature for food, clothing, and shelter. True or false? Sharvil Bhatt.
Ma'am, true.
True. The people living in deep forests, hot and cold deserts, and mountain often dwell in permanent settlement. Jessica. Jayavardhan. Am I
False.
audible? False, yes. Delayed temporary settlement. A scattered settlement is a closely built area of dwelling wherever flat land is available. Anshika Singhal. Swastik.
Ma'am, false.
Waterway are the most expensive for carrying heavy and bulky goods. Vivek.
True.
True. Waterways are most expensive. Sharvil.
Ma'am, false.
False. Navigable rivers and lake are used on land waterway. On land waterway. Vyan.
Ma'am, it is false.
False. Inland waterways, not on land. The satellite have helped in oil exploration, survey of forest. True or false? Dhavanya. Dhavanya. Vivek. It's true.
Ma'am, satellites are held in oil. Ma'am,
Satellite
false.
yes, it is true. Satellite help in oil exploration and survey of forest. It is true or false? We get the data from the satellites. Okay, so it is true. I hope everyone has marked the true false on worksheet. Next one is the fill in the blanks. First, The dash connects Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Which connect Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata? Jessica?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, the golden quadrilateral.
Connects Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Yes. The train from dash to dash run at altitude of 4,000 meter above sea level and the highest point 5,072 meter. Which train? Yes, Rajal. Rajal, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is the train from Jining to Lhasa runs.
Yes. Jining to Lhasa.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Next, the dash are extremely useful in more inaccessible area and in time of calamities. Which mode of transport are extremely useful in natural calamity to reach inaccessible area? Swastik? Yes, Swastik?
Helicopters.
Helicopters, yes. Through newspaper, radio, television, one can communicate with large number of people, therefore they are called dash. Arav Sharma? Jayavardhan?
Mass communication.
Mass communication, yes. Next, match the item in column A with those in column B. Most commonly used means of transport for short distance. Waterways, airways, subway, railways, roadways. Vivek?
Roadways.
Roadway. Most important mean of transport to carry heavy goods and people over long distance quickly and cheaply. Yes, Jia?
Ma'am, railways.
Railways. The cheapest way to carry heavy and bulky goods over a long distance from one country to another. Jessica?
Ma'am, waterways.
Waterways. The fastest way of transport and most expensive one. Vivek?
Airways.
Airways.
And ma'am, last three subway.
Which underground? Subway.
Ma'am, subway.
Climate. Yes, Rajal?
Ma'am, you have unmuted me instead of Rajal.
Rajal, are you there? Okay, Swastik.
Ma'am, kacha houses are mainly found in the regions of hot climate. They are made up of mud and straws.
What is transhumans? What is transhumans? Yes, Jessica.
It is a seasonal movement of people who rear animals move in search of new pastures according to change in seasons.
Short answer type question. How has internet made our lives comfortable? Yes, Gia.
Ma'am, the internet made our lives comfortable because, ma'am, the things which we can see in our TV, it's not necessarily to see live.
Anyone else?
Nowadays, we can electronic mails or emails through internet. Wireless telephonic communications through cellular phones have become very popular today, and internet not only provides us with the worldwide information and interaction, but also has made our lives more comfortable.
Yes, thank you. Satellite have helped in many ways. Explain. Sharvil. Yes, it helps us in many ways, like help in to explore oil, field, give information about weather. Yes, Sharvil. It makes our communication faster and help oil exploration. Okay.